Hey guys, today is a very exciting day for me because it is such a long time in the making, and today is the day I announce my merch launch. It has been such a collaborative effort between me and the company who is doing the merch for me, which is BEAU CO. BEAU CO is a small business, and who runs it is a stay-at-home mom who does everything herself. She reached out to me back, I think, August of last year, and she reached out on the Sweet Life of Zach and Kristi page and she said, I'm shooting my shot, and said, if you guys ever do want to do a merch collection, I would love to do it for you. Something interesting is we've wanted to do merch for a really long time. It's been something that we've always talked about. I mean, for years, we've been on YouTube. I've been doing this for 13 years. So over the years, I've had an extreme amount of opportunities to do merch, but nothing ever felt right. You can go through a company like Amazon or Teespring or any one of the million different merch companies out there. None of it ever felt that right to me. I'm not judging anybody else who decides to go down those routes. That's totally fine. I just didn't feel great about it for myself. And then Brooke reached out. Brooke is the owner of BEAU CO. And she was like, if you ever want to do it, I'm a small business, I would love to do this. My husband had actually ordered from her business previously, and we love the clothes because they're super high quality. They wash really well, they wear really well, they get better with washing, whereas some merch I feel like just kind of stays eh. These ones, they get better with wear. They get better with washing. They get like lived in and worn, like almost like a, I don't know how to describe it, like a vintage tee almost. And so we felt really good about it because we had ordered from her before and we like the clothing that we had bought. So we had bought some for our niece for Christmas, for ourselves, and we wear them all the time. If you guys have seen me wear that shirt that says overwhelmed, that's one of hers. The one that says bind my wandering heart to thee. Her and I hopped on a call and we had a talk all about everything, and she apparently has been a subscriber for over 10 years, which is wild to me because it doesn't compute, doesn't make sense. I've been doing this for a long time, I know that, but it's weird when somebody's actually watched. Like, she's been watching since the Face Awards. Wild to me. I really got a good vibe from her in the beginning, and I was like, I really want to do this with you. So we set off to do merch, and here we are. She and I came up with the idea that I would paint the merch and she will make it. I'm gonna show you guys everything that we have, talk to you guys about it all, and go over my first ever merch collection. I can't believe this is actually happening. As you guys are watching this video today, the products are already live. So you guys can go down to the website and shop if you guys are interested in checking anything out that I talked about in today's video. Everything's live right now. This is a pre-order. I wanna make sure to state that. So I'm gonna go over all the items in just a sec, but this is a pre-order. We're doing it this way because I don't know how many people are gonna buy things. I didn't want it to sell out immediately. So a pre-order is basically you go on the website, you're gonna buy what you want, and then you are pre-ordering it, and then she's going to make it, and then she's gonna ship it to you. The lead times are a little bit longer on these, so like the processing times, because it is a pre-order and because she is a small business. So just know that it'll say everything that you guys need to know about processing times, about everything will be on the website. So if you guys want to check that out, it'll be down below and you guys can shop all the items. There are quite a few and I'm very excited about them. So everything you guys need to know is listed on the website, and any information that you guys need or want to know about the merch collection, prices and everything like that will also be down in the description of the video. And without further ado, let's talk about the merch. So the first item that we're gonna talk about is this one. This is Rise and Slime. This is the hero product. This is the one that I'm the most proud of. I painted this little guy that you see right here. As you can see, we've got ourselves a little snail guy with a gardening hat. This is a little gardener snail. And on the back of the shirt is the same guy on top of a mushroom getting ready to garden. I worked on this for at least a month, I'd say it took me to paint this guy, maybe even a little longer, just in the amount of times that I have to be able to do that. But I love this shirt so much. We are offering this in a few different colors, so I'm gonna have that all listed down below. I painted this entire thing with acrylic paint, and then I took a photo of it on the paper and took that paper into Photoshop. I added the text, I added the drips of slime from the words, and I customized this whole thing myself. So I wanted it to be a snail. You guys know I'm obsessed with snails. If you guys have been following for, I don't know, if you're new, I'm obsessed with snails. I think they're the cutest thing in the entire world. And I wanted to do a gardener snail, almost like to play on the garden pests, which honestly, snails are one of the worst pests we have in our garden. They eat everything. being the gardener. I have a lot of other ideas for that coming up, just saying. I hope you guys like this one. This one was so much fun. I loved painting it. This is what I was painting on camera a couple of months ago when I did a little Q&A, and I said, there's something coming up, but I can't show you guys. And we're offering this in, I think, 4 different colorways. We're doing ice blue, this one, which is moss. We're doing another, which is mustard, and then another, which is bay. It's like this really pretty greenish, bluish sort of color. So they're absolutely beautiful. I love them all so much. We are also offering this exact same design in crew neck and hoodies. So if you guys didn't want a t-shirt, you have those as well. I will say that these t-shirts, the crew necks and the hoodies, insanely comfortable, insanely good quality. They have this sort of washed look to them, like pigment dyed washed look. They're beautiful. You will love the quality. They're absolutely lovely. They come in a lot of different sizes, and I really hope you guys like them so much. I'm really confident that you guys will like them. I am wearing size XL right now, and in all the pictures and promo images that you guys see, I'm wearing size XL. So I'm 5 foot tall, 190 pounds. I wear a size 16-ish in pants, and I'm wearing a size XL. So yeah, there's a lot of different sizes and options as well. And I hope you guys like this design. I love it so much. The second and one of my favorite designs that we have is the You're Not My Real Dad hat. Now, I had to make a You're Not My Real Dad collection. There's a couple of things that you're gonna see in this collection with BEAU CO for my first ever launch. I say first because I hope to be able to do this many more times with them in the future. It's been such a lovely process. This, as you guys know, if you are an OG follower, if you are somebody that's been here for a long time, can't tell me what to do. You're not my real dad. And I had to do a hat with that. And it is a dad hat with a You're Not My Real Dad. The color of this is the most beautiful washed green. As you can see, it's again that kind of like faded look. I have worn this, I am not exaggerating, every single day since I got it. I'm actually obsessed with it. It is perfection. It is embroidered right onto the hat itself. This hat is also done by a small business. So this one is not done by BEAU CO. It's going to be shipped by BEAU CO, but the hat itself is made by another small business. So I just want to make sure that you guys understand that these hats, the processing time is going to be a bit longer than what you're used to. By saying a bit longer, like it could be like up to 6 weeks, you know, for the hat, because I just want to support small. I don't want to support like these multi-billion-dollar companies that don't give a shit about anybody. I want to support small businesses, and that means longer processing times, but it's a good reason. These are people who are going to be making these products for you that aren't just mass manufacturing on a humongous scale. And so, yes, processing times will be a bit longer than most people are used to. It's not free 2-day shipping, unfortunately, but again, we are supporting small businesses by doing this. So it's worth it, the trade-off, at least for me, in my opinion. So if you guys are interested in the hat, again, everything, I'm gonna have a link down below. I am obsessed with it. It's my #1 favorite. I love the shirt, I love everything so much, but there's something about this You're Not My Real Dad hat I'm absolutely obsessed with. This Real Dad font that's on there is like the new font that I've been using for everything. It's my favorite, like this retro font. But then the You're Not My, you guys may recognize the font. It is what I use for my thumbnails for the last 8 years in all of my videos. So it might look familiar to you, and I hope it does. We also have that in 2 different shirt colors as well. So if you guys are looking to get the You're Not My Real Dad slogan, but you're not much into hats, I also have that in 2 t-shirts as well, 2 different colors. And I hope you guys like them. I love the charcoaly color. It's just so flattering. Again, it's like that really washed look. And then the other one's kind of this more like khaki color with the darker writing. So I really love them. And if you guys have ever wanted Real Dad merch, well, here you go. We also have the You're Not My Real Dad in a sticker. So if you guys are interested in getting a vinyl sticker, I have that as well. You can put them on your mugs, you can put them on your Stanley cup, you can put them on your car, you can put them anywhere. The next item is Am I Orange? Now, I didn't know if anyone would actually want to wear that on a t-shirt or anything. So we created 2 products for that I feel like fit better for that absolutely niche saying that literally no one will understand. And that is a trucker hat and a sticker. Am I Orange we thought would be good in a sticker because again, anybody that gets it, but everyone else is gonna be like, what? So we also are offering that in a trucker hat. I haven't offered it in a t-shirt or anything like that because truly I didn't know how many people would actually care to get a t-shirt that said that very, very niche phrase on it. So we have it in a hat, we have it in a sticker, and the orange that you see on both I actually painted as well. So I painted that with acrylic paints, and then again, same process. I took a picture of it, took it into Photoshop, and we made it into a sticker. So I love the idea of doing the hand-painted merch, the hand-painted stickers, things like that. So in future things as well, if you guys are vibing with that, we'll be doing that as well. And the final merch item that we have is one that I know I wanted to do a gardening shirt, but I wanted to do one that was totally different if the other ones weren't your vibe. You know what I mean? If this wasn't quite up your alley and you wanted something a little more simplistic and simple. So this is one that Brooke and I collaborated on together and gave the ideas of doing these like sort of clip art style white garden art ideas. And then she and I came up with this slogan. Obviously, it's a play on words like, let's go girls. Stop. It's let's grow girls. And it's all the cute little gardeny things. And I love this one so much because it can really work for anybody. Like, you don't have to know who I am to like this shirt. It can be kind of for anybody. You could get it as a gift for somebody, and it's not that the snail is like obvious that it's me, but you know, you never know. But this one I feel like fits with anybody. Anybody likes to garden, anybody likes to grow, anybody is into like granny hobbies, I hope will like this shirt. These, I will say though, while I drew the other things for this, I did not draw these little clip arts, are not my original art, but hopefully in the future I will have some. But this was a collaborative effort between me and the owner of BEAU CO, Brooke. And that is the merch collection. I hope you guys like it so much. We worked so hard on it. You wouldn't think it would take that long, but really finalizing everything and getting all the ideas down, and it's been really a labor of love and a lot of work. And then of course I've been sick 7 times since Christmas, so you can see how that will affect things. But this is what I've been working on, and this is what we have really been putting all of our heart and soul into. And I want you to know that when you buy a product from BEAU CO / RawBeautyKristi, you are supporting a human being. You are not that you're not when you go to Amazon, of course. People work there. There's lots of employees. But it's not a large corporation that's just pumping out product. She is an incredible small business owner who has put her heart and soul into this, who started her business after she has 2 small boys at home that she's taking care of. And I'm just really proud of her for having such an amazing business, working so hard, and being such a friendly and kind and supportive person, and for putting herself out there, doing this amazing collaboration with me. So again, if you guys are interested in checking out everything, I'm gonna have it listed down below. Everything will be listed, anything you need to know. Prices for everything will be listed down below, as well as processing times, lead time, anything that you need to know. We are trying to cover all of our bases with that. Thank you so much. If you guys do support the collection, even if you don't, if you can't, I understand as well, totally fine. But I want to say thank you guys so much for being here. Thank you for being here and being supportive and awesome, and for caring and for being amazing. Like, it means so much to me to be able to finally put something tangible out there. You know, I have my collaborations that I've done in the past for makeup. This is my first product that I am putting out. I've never sold anything before other than, you know, my palette with Pure and my palette with ColourPop, which were the most mind-blowing things of my entire life. And now to have another tangible product that people can buy, that my love and heart and soul went into, is a really cool feeling. So thank you guys so much for supporting. And also I wanted to say, on top of that, please be patient and kind with BEAU CO. She's one person that I know she's going to work extremely hard and work as hard as she can to get all the products out to you guys as quick as humanly possible. But I just wanted to put it out there that it's just her baby. I hope you guys like the designs. I hope you guys like everything that we made together. And this is just the first of many. I already have a ton of ideas for fall. Stay tuned, because I don't think this is the last you'll see of RBK x BEAU CO. And I thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you for supporting and for hanging out with me. And I will see you at my next video. Bye!